Hi, this is Nigel French for CreativePro with a sneak peek for my session Building Templates at the InDesign and Long Documents Summit happening online April 5th. This is a tip for quickly navigating a long document. This document is 288 pages. To make it easier to navigate, I've chosen to view my pages horizontally. That's going to allow me to see more page thumbnails on the Pages panel. I've also color-coded the section parent page so that I can see at a glance where the sections begin. But moving around the document still takes more time than it should. Because the pages have a lot of graphics, the redrawing of the page thumbnails can really slow things down. So once the document structure is in place, I like to create a TOC, table of contents, using the table of contents feature. And this TOC will generate PDF bookmarks. Now, PDF bookmarks are, of course, very useful for navigating the PDF that you might export from InDesign, but you can also use them to navigate around the InDesign document itself. So once the TOC is made, you can come to the interactive panel where you will see the bookmarks that reflect all of those TOC entries. And you can just double click on the bookmark entry to go to that page. So if you're familiar with the content of the book, this is a much quicker way to move around than using the Pages panel. Now, even if you're not ready to create the TOC, even if your document doesn't need a TOC, you can generate one and just put it on the pasteboard, and that alone will generate the bookmarks, allowing you to just double click on the bookmark entry to quickly move to that part of the document. If you like this how-to, be sure to join me at the InDesign and Long Documents Summit.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.